Sermon number 133. On the glory of Allah. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. This world and the next have submitted to him their reigns, and the skies and earths have flung their keys towards him. The thriving trees bow to him in the morning and evening, and produce for him flaming fire from their branches, and at his command, turn their own feed into ripe fruits. The Holy Quran. The Book of Allah is among you. It speaks and its tongue does not falter. It is a house whose pillars do not fall down, and a power whose supporters are never rooted. The Holy Prophet. Allah deputized the Prophet after a gap from the previous prophets when there was much talk among the people. With him Allah exhausted the series of prophets and ended the revelation. He then fought for him those who were turning away from him and were equating others with him. This world. Certainly this world is the end of the sight of the mentally blind who see nothing beyond it. The sight of a looker, who looks with the eye of his mind, pierces through and realizes that their real house is beyond this world. The looker therefore wants to get out of it while the blind wants to get into it. The looker collects provision from it, for the next world, while the blind collects provision for this very world. You should know that a man gets satiated and wearied with everything except life, because he does not find for himself any pleasure in death. It is in the position of life for a dead heart. Sight for the blind eye, hearing for the deaf ear, quenching for the thirsty, and it contains complete sufficiency and safety. The Book of Allah is that through which you see, you speak and you hear. Its one part speaks for the other part, and one part testifies to the other. It does not create differences about Allah, nor does it mislead its own follower from the path of Allah. You are joined together in hatred of each other and in the growing of herbage on your filth, that is, for covering in a dirt by good appearance outside. You are sincere with one another in your love of desires and bear enmity against each other in earning wealth. The evil spirit, Shaitan, has perplexed you and deceit has misled you. I seek the help of Allah for myself and you.